Albuquerque. We gotta get some chicken and waffles. This will be another one of those times when we go where Guy Fieri tells us to. Oh, I pledge allegiance to Guy Fieri and diners, drive-ins, and dives. By far some of the best fried chicken I have ever had. Oh my gosh, the flavor? Ugh. The waffle was good, but that chicken, man. Nexus, look it up. If you're in Albuquerque, go. Dang. We are at the Santa Ana Star Center here in Albuquerque. Well, I don't even know if you can call this Albuquerque. We drove so far north from town. I'll be honest, I'm a little bit concerned about what kind of crowds we're gonna get here. We're really far from what seems to be civilization. We are the Mustang. Back in an arena, back in a locker room. Time to put it all together. Oh man, I know I've mentioned before how I'm not crazy about days when I've got to get up crazy early. Today was one of those days. I had to be up at about 4:30 and down to the airport shortly thereafter, and I just don't sleep on nights like that because I'm always afraid I'm gonna oversleep, and it just makes for a really long day. But we're here, we're set up, things are happening, and I believe that Albuquerque is gonna be a fun weekend. Goals. Well, a dandy day. The thing is that we're dealing with, to some degree, we've got a bit of a grind coming. We've got 3 conferences in 5 weeks. So conference, week off, conference, week off, conference. So I think we're all kind of starting to feel that. But we're also in a pretty good rhythm, so we know what we're doing. I mentioned in my last video about how we're into the big arenas again now, and that actually is easier for us to work with because that's kind of how the whole rig is built, and we're not having to squeeze it into a church. So it was a good day. Everything's done, ready. Dial in our details in the morning, and we are off and running. They don't all knock our socks off, and this one did not. Had some kick, but just not great. We'll keep trying. Yeah, we know how to party on a Thursday night in Rio Rancho. It's Albuquerque. Walking around Walmart. I did all my shopping without Leo tonight. I don't know what to do with myself. We have all the necessary groceries to get us through the next couple of days. This day is done, thankfully. It's a long, tiring day. Good night. Friday morning at the venue. Friday morning observations. The hotel's got uncomfortable beds, terrible water pressure, and sketchy internet. So basically it's a Motel 6 with interior doors. Standard Friday stuff. Details here. Leo details here. Camera details. More camera details. Lighting details. merchandise details, chicken fry details. Apparently they do that twice. White balance details, projection details, engineering details, goals, overflow details, volunteer details, seating details. And when you get all those details done, you go and get lunch. It would appear we beat the rush.
Needs a little salt. How's it hold up? Okay. Is it alright? Just chili fries? Chili cheese fries.
Chili cheese fries? What you think?
Good.
Well, that's a little bit of a head scratcher, and that it wasn't bad. Food was good. Dude, nobody there the whole time. Good smoked meats. Give it a twirl. Let me know what you think. It's Friday. We gonna treat ourselves. Treat yourself.
This is what's fun about Brian. His phone is always right here, looking stuff up, and then
At some point in the next hour or so, he's gonna gripe about how his phone is dying, and he doesn't know why. It's cute. It's cute how he's perplexed why his phone is always dying. Banana blueberry smoothie. A nice cool treat. Just a couple of quick travel tips if you're coming to the Albuquerque area. One, this is a desert. Drink lots of water. I had a pretty gnarly headache last night, and I'm pretty sure it was because I was getting dehydrated. And two, sorry for the sensitive nature of this one, some kind of a nose spray and blow your nose a lot, because this climate and area turns the average human into an unbelievable booger factory. Just sorry. Oh, and chapstick. Mas chapstick. Well, the afternoon went fantastic. We had a good sound check with Phil Wickham. Got everything else buttoned up. The doors are open. People are coming in and sitting down. Night number one is about to kick off here in Albuquerque. Well, that was a dandy Friday night. Dandy, dandy, dandy. Everything went well. We'll get it all reset. We'll go at it for our 2 sessions on Saturday and get out. Good night. It is a brisk Saturday morning here in Rio Rancho, Albuquerque. And we gotta get through this. What's that?
Need coffee.
What's that?
Coffee.
Fitness room? Fitness? Fitness whole audio rig in here. I got nothing?
Huh?
Later.
Well, both of the Saturday sessions were absolutely flawless, really. It's kind of cool when it just goes without a hitch like that. Doesn't give me a whole lot of content for a video like this, but for our purposes, it was fantastic. We're obviously pretty much all packed up. Now it's time to send it all out to the line and get it in the truck. Whew, that was another rough strike, man. We got like 80, we'll just call it 80 cases of various sizes and shapes. Well, okay, they're all pretty much rectangular, but they all got to go in the truck in a particular order, and it's just such a pain trying to find them wherever they are. Frank, if you're watching this, we need you. Well, we can't go home tonight, which kind of sucks, but you make the best of it, and you get a lot of burger. It's the name of the place. Basic.
It's just okay.
Man, we have had some we've had some bad choices on this trip, and Lotta Burger is going to be a that just tasted like salt and regret. We've got a really early flight tomorrow. We're meeting in the lobby at 4:30 in the morning, so this may be the end of this vlog, or maybe I'll give you some boring airport footage because I like it.
Tomorrow.